Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. It's Coco Wade with Succeed and Get Money. In this particular video, we're going to talk about secrets you ought to know about music royalties on YouTube. Yes, so I am very excited about this particular content because I am a walking testament. I try to bring to you advice on the things that I've done and things that I've achieved when I've set goals and what has worked for me. You know, this is my journey, but I'm interested in sharing it with you all. I'm hoping that you can take this information as an inspiration and a tool, first and foremost, to succeed and get money. So stick around. Make sure if you like this content, you give me the thumbs up, like the video, subscribe to my channel, comment below, let me know of any other content videos that I can create and provide for you here on this channel. But stay tuned, I'll be right back with all the exclusives on the secrets you ought to know about music royalties and YouTube. All right, so then let's jump right in, okay? Money makers, I want to share with you everything that I know in terms of how I've been achieving my goal, making money, streaming on YouTube, monetization, and everything in between. All right, so first and foremost, in this video, you're going to learn how I, with no shows and no bookings involved, without leaving home, without actually scheduling any sort of tour. This is just before any of that. I'm making money as passive income with my music, and it's with the help of my fans. Thank God for my fans. It's with the help of my favorite DJs and those who love to play my music to get the party started. And with my worldwide listeners, I am amped. So shout out to all the radio personalities, DJs, disc jockeys, club owners, jukeboxes, everyone who's out there sharing my music. Thank you so much. And the fans, thank you for buying and downloading. Okay, so here's the scoop. I have been blown away because I went into my Tunecore account today. As I do, I check it regularly, but it was different today. I had a mind shift and I wanted to make sure that I came on my YouTube channel and share it with those that are aspiring to do the same and even better. So I checked my YouTube account, and what I've learned is from the time period of November 17th through December 24th, in 5 weeks alone, I've generated over $514 in royalties and revenue coming from YouTube and Tunecore, Apple Music, Spotify, Amazon, you name it, all the stores that my music releases are currently in. And I wanted to come to you all because I wanted to share with you how I got here, how I got it done, and how you can do it. And the tools and the tips will be in my exclusive guide. Now, it's a course that I've created, okay? It's called Music, Money, and Monetization. And with this course, you guys are going to be able to download it, watch it over and over and over again. You have lifetime access to it, and you'll be able to reference it as you need to. But mostly, this will be like your Bible for generating passive income in the music industry with your singles, your albums, whatever you have in music content. It's time to get that money. And so I wanted to put this together in a package for you so you can reference and have all the knowledge behind the business. But I'm dropping gems on everything that I've learned and what it took me to get here and how you can do it in as little as 60 to 90 days. Like, you can already be making bank and seeing this money hit your account, cashing out, and I'm going to show you receipts in the video. So make sure you stay tuned. And at the end of the day, I want you to succeed and get money. So do consider the highly recommended Music, Money, and Monetization. Okay, so here I want to take a minute and show you how I actually withdraw money from the YouTube royalties that have been paid out via Tunecore. And so I typically just go to the withdraw money option, and it will eventually pull me into the screen where I can transfer whichever amount I would like. And in this case, I'm just going to transfer
the full amount, which is $148.52, and simply click request payout. It is in moments where the actual transfer over. And right here, of course, they take $1 for their service fee, understandably. And then I do complete request. And after that, it's pretty much done. So you go back to the dashboard and you can start from scratch if you want to continue to research analytics. But that's how we do it. It's that simple. Get your transfer positioned and make sure that it actually goes out to whether it's your PayPal or your bank account, but it'll be there typically within, I would say, 48 hours, give or take, maybe 72 if you're looking at a weekend, but it's a pretty cut and dry process.
Coming to you from an artist perspective. So not just as a startup or a business or an entrepreneur, but I'm coming to you as an artist advocating for other talents. It's very important that you understand you're not in this alone, and these are some of the challenges we face with regards to evolving with our music as an indie artist and maybe not having a record label and not having management, but these things can definitely be conquered. And I'll tell you a little bit of a backstory on me. So for many years, I've actually been catapulting and elevating talents and brands, including startups, businesses, and entrepreneurs. But it all started when I actually initiated a production of a talent search. And that talent search went on for 17 seasons, and we have done over 105 different live events on stage. We've had talents to come out in droves. I have single-handedly, by the grace of God and with helpful teams around, worked with over 2,000 talents starting in 2007. I've done major fashion shows and music events, and I learned so much along the way. When I decided to start taking time with myself as an artist, as a talent, and getting into my own music, I used all the tools that I had been equipped with through real life experiences, through helping to develop other talents and catapult them to reach their dreams. I applied that information, and that is how I learned more about myself as a talent. That's how I learned about the ever-changing industry, and it's how I'm here today, giving you the tools to succeed and get money. You guys, stay the course, be confident, believe in yourself, walk out on faith, give yourself a chance, get your destination accomplished just by believing in you. I want you to make absolute certain that you stick with us on this channel, succeed and get money. We're going to give you the tools that you need to sustain, to grow, evolve, elevate, and prosper. So I thank you for tuning in, and stick around. I will be back with more and more content for days, months, and even years to come. But for you who are here for the main point of making money through music on YouTube, let's jump right in. Okay, so first things first, you will want to make absolute certain that you have a music product, like a single, maxi single, or an album, something that you can release, right? So you'll release that. I recommend through Tunecore, because that's the one I have the most experience with, and that's the one that has been rewarding for me. So first step, release a project, even if it's just a single, and release that on Tunecore. When you're releasing that on Tunecore, make sure, you guys, that you opt into YouTube as a store. Also, there's another key step that you want to make sure you do. Check the box to make sure for an extra $10, I think it is still that price, but for the extra $10, you can actually partner with YouTube through your Tunecore partnership. So stick with me, and I'm going to tell you more about that. Now, once you do those two things, you're in. You now have music that's going to be streaming and making money on YouTube. It's just that simple. All right, so let me tell you a little bit more about how I actually stream and how I monetize. Right now, collectively, I've added up all of the analytics, and With my song, my producer and I were at about 10 million in monetized views. Keyword monetized views. So what happens is your music is monetizing if you select monetize in your YouTube channel. And I'll give you step-by-step tools of how to do that. Now, for a moment, I want to say, if you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and set your notifications. So as I'm developing new content, you won't miss anything. But let's get back to the money, everyone. If you want to make money all day, every day, yep, I did say all day, every day. Because some people say make money in your sleep, but my music is streaming 24/7. And how I know that, it's in over 50 countries, and I'm an indie artist. So we have done this through marketing and promotion, and I'm talking about from a stick in the mud, not a huge budget sometimes, but just grinding up late at night and making absolute certain we give the fans what they want when we're in the studio and we're producing. Shout out to Small World Studio Productions. We are getting it done. We're making sure that people are happy and satisfied and are vibing and grooving to the music. And because of that, we're winning. And so I want you to do the same. This is within your reach. It's totally possible. All you have to do is release a single. Make sure you work that single, and in working that single, there are just a few components that are important, but if you stick to it and you're consistent, you actually will start streaming in as little as 60 days. Yes, I'm serious. You can see money in your account between 60 and 90 days, depending on how you launch this song. And we're not talking about using a lot of money. We're talking about putting the time in, the energy, the know-how, and having the tools. I'm going to give you the tools. So guess what I've done, you guys? I have put together a music, money, and monetization course just for you, because I don't want you to go through what I went through to learn every nit and crane about making this money. I've learned it, so now I'm ready to share it. And in sharing it, it's in a packaged course. It's called Music, Money, and Monetization. And I want you to have it. You'll click the link in the description. We'll get that to you. Once you download it, you can take your time with it. It's not like a classroom setting, or anything webinar where you have to actually be live. But what you can do is this information is available to you for life. You can take your time, download step by step, very simple formats, I promise. Simple step-by-step solutions in this guide. This course will provide video content with me walking you through step-by-step where to click, what to do. That is going to help you. And then I'm going to give you my top secrets that I have used. This is what I have used and gotten proven results. And so I want to share with you how I achieve that. And I want you to achieve the same. Let's go, guys. Succeed and get this money. Remember, these are secrets you ought to know about music royalties on YouTube. And I don't want you left behind. I feel like paying it forward means bringing everyone up. So stay tuned, stay abreast of things. Remember, you guys, comment. Let me know what other content we can get to you, and I'll start creating. In the meantime, follow me at I am Coco Wade on Instagram. Follow us at Succeed and Get Money on Instagram. And more importantly, for more gems I'm dropping like this, go and join our Facebook group. It's called Succeed and Get Money. In the meantime, I'll see you guys at the top. Thanks for watching.